In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can become a top 1% man or woman in 2023. If you're looking to take your personal and professional life to the next level, then this video is for you. Let's get started. The first step to becoming a top 1% man is to set clear and measurable goals. Whether it's in your career, finances, relationships, or personal development, having a specific target in mind will help you focus your efforts and stay motivated. But setting goals is not enough. You need to have a plan of action to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks and create a timeline to keep yourself accountable. Next, you need to invest in yourself. This means constantly learning and improving your skills, knowledge, and mindset. Attend seminars, read books, take courses, and surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Another important aspect of being a top 1% is to take care of your physical and mental health. Make exercise and healthy eating a part of your lifestyle, and prioritize self-care activities that help you relax and recharge. In addition, it's crucial to develop strong communication and interpersonal skills. Learn how to listen actively, express yourself clearly, and build relationships based on trust and respect. These skills will help you in both your personal and professional life. Another trait of a top 1% is the ability to adapt and be resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity, and don't let fear hold you back from taking risks and pursuing your goals. Finally, to be a top 1%, you need to have a positive mindset and attitude. Focus on the good things in your life, practice gratitude, and surround yourself with positive and supportive people. So there you have it, our tips on how to become a top 1% in 2023. Remember, it's not about being perfect or achieving everything at once. It's about making progress every day and striving to be the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.